I will now give the prompt I already given, and I click the 3.5 Pro, and it's really good overall speed and everything to make this design good with this. Okay, so let's design it and let's see how it actually works. While it's generating the first screen, you can see it's actually parallel. That's why it's not consistent design, right? So you have to make your prompt very good. I did it very fast, so it will not be accurate, but it's really good. So this is screen I was thinking to make it another version. I'll create variations. I don't like the layout. Color schema good. Images okay. Text content also okay. Just the layout again. I want circular. Okay, nothing. I will give nothing. I will just generate and see how many variation it will be generated for this. Don't want it when I don't want it. Okay. Okay, just give it